I want to give y'all a video on the JB4 and pinning in your E.W.G wires. Right now I want to extend this because it came out this way, so it always kind of awkwardly move this or get caught up when I'm trying to put it down in there neatly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm extend the wire and run it back through and around like that, and then back into the posi tap, which I'm setting up now. I'm gonna heat shrink that area instead of doing a butt connector, just because of space. Try to keep it slim in there. And I figured that would be a whole lot neater for the application and better. Go ahead and set that up. I think I'm gonna double it just to make sure. I haven't really had it poked through before, but let's just be extra cautious here with this. They're great with customer service if it is an issue on their end, but I don't know about if you do something on your end. So we're gonna double it. Alright, nice and thick, shouldn't have to worry about it. For now, let me just set up my posi tap. Alright, that's it. So I'll leave that hanging. Next thing to do is pull out the chip. You should have screws right there, but I've taken the screws out already. Now this is the part that will get tricky for anybody who's not comfortable with wiring. I also have the fuel adapters. See, I just did it that way because I really don't like this posi tap style. It's annoying to me. I prefer this clamp style, which you can get at Ace pretty easily. It's another style that I like. It's like a vampire clip that clips in, and then you just stick a spade connector in the end of it. I like that style a lot, but I cannot find them. Don't know where to find them at. That's kind of that's what I'd rather use. Hopefully I can get it to focus enough to see the pin numbers. Can I get my light? All right, this top right is 1, 2, 3, 4. You see 14 in that bottom right, 15, 16. Trying to get my light in a good spot. Okay. So on and so on. I can keep the camera in focus. All right, so yeah, I can see. All right, that's the pin number. So I'm finna go and pull the numbers, so I can pin it in. Then I'll do that on camera. So give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, so first thing first, you need to do. Would be to all right, first thing first you'll need to do is take all of them and route them through here. Well, you might can do them one at a time. And the reason why, I want to say the pins are 19. Get on camera. The pins are 19, 14, 9, and 8. So you can see that 14. So yeah. See, can I get this one out the way? All right. Get that focused. Y'all can see 9 and 8, and 16 should be okay, right down the brown wire. So those will be it. So I wanna say purple. The purple wires of each go to the 9 and 8, and blue wires go to the other one. But I have that on screen. I'll show that on screen. So Alright, so to get around to doing this, first thing first, going to route these through this grommet, which will line up with this hole on your JB4. That's what's gonna go in there and plug through. So you want to line it up, get it through. All right. So this is gonna be one. Blue wire is gonna go to 19. 19 is on the bottom. I'm just double checking that mine didn't have the green wire in place that they mentioned on some. So y'all see how I kind of just fed that through. And blue goes to 19. 14 is this corner. If you notice a slight slant that way. Don't have good eyes, it'll be hard for you to see, but hopefully this helps out. And I'm just really being careful to double check. So once you put it in, it's in there. Yep, 19. I'm gonna try to get it close for y'all so y'all can see on camera. The number 6 off to the right of the pinhole. So that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is occupied, 19 is empty, and then 20 is occupied also, and 21. Alright, now when you press it in, it will be a firm click. Y'all see there? My bad. See, can I show it? Yeah, you can kind of see it move, but it's in there firm. So there's one end. So this purple one is gonna go near the top. So I'm gonna route it that way. And that one just went to 19, so this one is going to 9. All right, so let me bring that to y'all on camera. That'll be, yep, that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There'll be a gap. That's 8, and then that's 9, the next open one, above this second black wire from the bottom. When you insert it, you're gonna want to push until you feel the click. You can hear it also. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but you can actually hear it. wire number 2. I'll start on the bottom. Blue wire. It's going to 14, which is right over here in the corner. Running through the same way. Again, get close up so I can see that number. See, it's 14 in the corner. You want to line it up. You want to just give it a firm push and tug on it. Give it a firm push and tug on it a little bit. Sorry, I keep getting off camera, but trying not to mess this up for myself, because I don't want to have to do any cutting and splicing to fix it. But both blue wires will go to the bottom row. And both purple wires will go to the upper row. Just again, this purple one goes to 8. Yep, y'all can see it right there, it's empty, and 9 is already filled. I've lined it up. Give it a firm push. Trying my best to catch it on camera. Let's give it a firm push. You'll feel it slide in. Hopefully y'all caught that it's an audible click that you hear when it clicks in. Really can't tell which one it is, but these last 2 pins right there, the 2 purple ones. Let me see, can I catch that on camera? Something I didn't notice before. But if you look right there, they have the numbers. And they're printed pretty good. So you can see I got something in 19. See, it's in 14. Let's see, can I get yeah, you can see 8 and 9. So lets you know I got them pinned correctly, so I shouldn't have any issues out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble this as a unit and close it up. Don't worry about getting that super tight. As long as it's snug, it should hold. I'll explain why in a second. But just as long as you get it snug, it should be fine. Take a look at this, and that right there pretty much lines up with this, and that end lines up with that, so that holds it in place, which is why I mentioned the thing about snugging it. Next thing I need to do is go ahead and set up my Bluetooth power wire. Since mine is a older unit, go ahead and set it up, put it in the positive tab. All right, now that that's in, kind of clicks in there also. Y'all should be able to see that. The positive tap lays right off to the side. I'm going to run that along the side of the board. Then I'm going to line it up with this one. I'm going, it's a little bit of room in here. I'm gonna try to stuff the wire in there just to make sure it stays. But once I get ready to put this top on, that part is gonna be kind of hard to keep in place. But that should be it. It should fit relatively flat. I don't know if you can really see it, but mine is flat up there. In the back it's a little up because of the extra wire sticking out, but I don't think I have an issue. And once I tighten it down, it should just mash into it. See if I can get this torch big size for y'all. I think it says a T15. Yeah, I believe it's a T15. The torch bigs. That's what I used to take the hex key bolts off. But as you can see, there's a rubber seal that runs inside of there. But mine is pretty much flat and closed. I don't think it pinched the wire at all, but that's much needed. Okay, I might have been off. But as y'all can see, mine is pretty much flat and closed. Doubt it pinched the wire because it's pretty flat right there. I got that seated like it's supposed to. When I got it from the previous owner, it was kind of hanging out. So clean that up. Not too much worried about how these are ran. I didn't want it to be split around it like that, but it is what it is now. Maybe I can pull it around. But I got that seated. That's in. As far as this in the blue wire, it was coming out of this end. It was coming from this end, hooked back into this end for power, and I hated that look. Plus, when I installed it over there by my brake, reservoir, it was getting caught on stuff. So I definitely want to remedy that and make that look better. But thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got any more ideas on install videos or tutorials you want to see in depth, just let me know and I'll get it done. Thank y'all guys for watching, commenting, and subscribing.